Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the error code 0xc00007b. The application was unable to start correctly while you are trying to open a program or an application on your Windows. And there's just a very easy fix for this. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type features. Now you'll find under the best match, turn Windows features on or off. Click on that. Now maximize the Windows features. And here you'll find the feature .NET Framework 3.5 and the .NET Framework 4.8. Now what you can do if these features are turned off on your Windows, you just need to simply turn on this by checking or clicking on these boxes next to that feature. To turn on the .NET Framework 3.5 and the .NET Framework 4.8 feature, and then click on OK. Now, after you have clicked on OK, that will search for the required files and also apply the changes. But in my case, it doesn't search for the required files because it is already turned on in my Windows. Now, for the next method is we need to open a browser. So let's open the Edge browser. Click on it under the best match. Maximize it. Here in the search bar, simply type direct X and user runtime. It's DirectX end user runtime. Hit enter. And here you'll find from the first option www.microsoft.com, which is the official website. Click on that. And just wait for the result to appear. And here you'll find this page. Now you have to select the language. Click on this drop down arrow and choose the language that you prefer or you can understand more. Now I'm just going to go with the English language and click on download. Now the setup file will be downloaded. Double click and then close the Edge browser. Now this will appear. Just simply click on accept the agreement to click on next to continue. You can also install the Bing bar, but I don't want to install the Bing bar, so I'm just going to uncheck this box. Click on next and wait for the installation to be done. Now the installation is complete. Click on finish and finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.